of D!
Hello everyone, good evening, how are you?
Para siyang naging ano, stage
Yeah, actually,
pero parang
just
yung
tradition to
Or lang.
anong
Yung sariling prod na lang
Tonight, I'm not going to do magic. I'm actually going to do something more interesting. You, tonight we're going to be playing games. You guys don't play games, right? Well, because you see, many years ago, I was very fascinated about the concept of gambling. Not because of money, well, apart from but it's because of the chances of winning, the percentages. I mean, like, you guys know roulette, right? When the ball wins and when you bet the blacker, right? It's like 50-50. Or even when it's poker, different factors such as different players, it's many odds. So then I'm gonna do something similar to that. But first, of course, I need a player over here. So I need a volunteer. Who wants to come up? How about you? Yeah, come over here.
Kinakabahan ako bro, kinakabahan ako.
Wag, okay lang yan.
Bro, mawawala ka, bro.
What if papunta ka sa kitchen? Okay ka pa
So,
naman.
first,
Pumasok doon,
how are you?
Ayos lang, Brad. Ayos lang.
What's your name?
Strike.
Okay, my name's Rob. Nice to meet you. Okay, do you know what's gonna happen tonight?
Hindi ko alam. Kinakabahan ako.
Would you say you're a lucky person?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
I don't feel so lucky tonight. That's why I called someone. Buti na lang you feel so lucky.
Siyempre.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I told you we're gonna play a game, right?
Alright.
So here's what I'm gonna do.
Kinakabahan ako dito. Parang feeling ko mawawala ako. Holy shit!
Talaga kayo sugat kasi. Baka dapat ikaw nandyan eh.
So,
Can you please nandyan eh.
Dapat naghanap ka ng pangkito.
okay, can you please check if it's real?
Real or fake?
Real or fucking? So you see, before I came into this set, I actually tied only one string to this hook. The other three aren't. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to pull the string, every string, but the string that is tied to the hook. Okay? So let's say you pull the string and the string in my hand. Okay? So here's the thing. Before we do this, I have three things. The first thing, I want you to pull one string at a time. Okay? Second thing, when you pull the string, you have to pull it really hard. I don't want you to just pull it like really soft. I'll pull it really hard, okay? Third one, which I want you to do right now, I want you to look at the audience. And I want you to repeat after me.
Okay.
I am responsible for any injuries or harm that's happened tonight.
Teka lang, bro. Wala yung sausapan.
Ano?
Ako dito ah.
I mean, since you're a lucky person, I'm impressed. Okay. Are you ready?
Sige. Ready? Uy, grabe ko to ba?
Okay, sige. Actually, yeah. My hand is very
Medyo kinakabahan ako ah.
Okay. Sige, since my hand, yeah, it's my hand, but so let me try. You ready, yeah?
Sige.
That's the money shot.
I-join niyo to ah. Woo! What the heck? Some piece of shit. Napaka-creepy.
Wait lang.
Ano? Ano?
Kaliwa!
Ano? Right, left.
As a magician wife. As a magician wife. Left! Right! Pag yan nasugatan. May bouncer sa labas.
Are you very stressed? Medyo stressed? Okay, here. Sige, I'll give you a treat. Sige, you want some candy ba? You want candy na ba? Sige, open it. Sige, take mo na. Sige, it's to de-stress. Sarap ba? Actually, sige, ito gawin natin. Can you pour one in my hand? Can you pour one in my hand? Everyone, ano yun? Can you please tell everyone what that is?
What?
Steak
Yeah, ayoko
How
mag-volunteer.
does steak taste?
Papalag ka dyan.
Gusto lang yan, please kami. Pwede ano, via
I
email.
usually eat candy in these stress. You also do that?
Yes.
Because what happened was I was very stressed one time. And I just tried to eat candy. But then also, I watched the video. I don't know if you guys related to it, but I watched the video where a guy ate spaghetti and he pushed it up his body and pulled it out his nose. You know about that?
Kaya ko rin yun! Di ba nasa Pornhub ka na agad?
So it's like he was flossing it with his mouth and nose.
Wala yung salsa lang.
I wanted to recreate that. Me. I wanted to recreate that. But something else happened, which I'm gonna show all of you guys tonight, okay?
Alam mo, malulobot mo rin ako. Matik na mga sa Reddit niya.
Gago, ikaw lang kayo gumawa
Alam
nun
ba?
eh.
Puta mo! More!
Everyone, thank you so much.
Abangan niyo sa bukas ng pwesto ah.
Mais! Kaya ko yan with mais.
If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's rt.magic.ph. If you want me to follow TikTok, Ralph D Magic. Thank you.